I'm not opening the probe right now. Some people are holding it like this. This is a very wrong practice. You cannot do like this. आपका हाथ ऐसे कांप गया तो problem. Make sure, I have told multiple times, even though in multiple practicals as well, stability of your hands when you are practicing ophthalmology or optometry is very important thing. You cannot touch this probe and shaking hands. It will abrade the cornea. पता चला IOL power calculate करना था, antibiotic डालना पड़ रहा है, ठीक है? In such cases, that's why it is advised actually, as per FDA, okay? It is advised whenever you, let's say today is patient's cataract surgery, always ideally A scan should be done 1 day prior to that. In case any abrasion occurs, next day it should heal almost. ये नहीं होना चाहिए ना, अभी A scan किया, आधे घंटे बाद patient की surgery. There might be some false readings. Patient post refractive error, post surgery refractive error आने के chances क्या हैं? This is a major chance that you are abrating the cornea. Clear? So ideally it should be done 1 day prior. But in case of emergency, if you are expert enough in doing all these things, you are sure that you are not going to indent much or you are not going to abrade the cornea, you can do it. Okay? So we'll do this procedure. Instruct everything to the patient. So patient is in the sitting position. Ideally we are doing it in the supine position, right? But we can do in the sitting position. Give the target to the patient. Okay? Make sure both the eyes should keep looking straight. In case patient is not fixating, there are lots of conditions like nystagmus and all those. There it could be challenging to do the A scan. Okay, so just give a target to the patient. Make sure patient is looking at that target, and make sure while doing, let's say I am doing it on the right eye, don't occlude the left eye. Otherwise, patient will move his or her eyes. Clear? So we'll be cleaning this probe, and then we'll be proceeding. Another error practitioners often do is, I'm ready with this. I'm clean. I have cleaned it. Paracan. Everything is ready. I'm going to touch, but I haven't pressed this button, and I'm getting confused why readings are not happening, why I'm not getting the readings. Okay, so be active from your mind. Absence of your mind is not acceptable in practicing medicine, right? We'll be doing this, okay? Just look up. Close it. Paracan need to be kept in which, what? That is cul-de-sac. Okay. Don't directly put paracan or any of the eye drop directly on the cornea. Specifically antibiotic, steroids, and paracan. Paracan is the agent which, or proparacan is the agent which will cause the dryness on patient's cornea. Okay. So make sure don't directly put it on the cornea. Are you okay? So what is the actual method? Don't hold it like this. Don't hold it like this. Okay. How you are holding the pen? You can hold it like this. Okay. So with this, two benefits are there. When you are going close your eyes, when you are going close to the patient's eye, with this second and third finger, you can take support here, so that it will not move like this. Okay. If you are doing directly like this, it may move like this, no? Right? It can move something. Your hands may shiver. So simply take a support, or you can take this support and gently touch it here. Okay? Open your eyes. Straight. Fixation direct. Keep looking at your thumb. Now, where to keep the target? It's in your hands. You cannot ask the patient, okay, keep looking here like this. You're not aware that where is the condition, where is the position of the eyes, right? So I have to adjust in a way. So see, can you see cornea is little down? It is touching the lid margin, lower lid margin. I am going to lift it up a little bit. So now it is clear, right? I have good way, right? So I will be holding eyelashes. Keep looking here, okay? Don't move your eyes. कितनी रीडिंग्स आ रही? Ideally, what you have to do, once you are touched, stop, keep it like this, stable, until or unless it will keep on making this continuous sound, and it will take around 8 to 10 readings, I guess.
Yes, 10 readings.
It will take 10 readings. Okay, once done, then take it out. We are having little problem, but it will give the accurate values obviously. Are you okay? Antibiotic.
Doctor?
Hygienic.
Nothing.
Medicine or while on patient, make sure after completion of the procedure you should instill the antibiotic. Okay, just single drop, just to prevent any kind of infection or any allergic reaction, right? Another thing is, let's say you're in the camp OPD where you have to do continuous scans. This is the often error we are seeing, okay, that we are not cleaning the probe. We have changed the patient, but we are not cleaning the probe. Once I have done it on her eyes might be normal. I have not seen slit lamp as of now, right? The probe may get contaminated. Once I have touched that probe to other patient's eye, it will transfer, right? Even on the same patient, let's say this patient is having conjunctivitis in right eye and left eye is normal. When you are going from this eye to this eye, again you have to clean. Otherwise you are going to transmit the infection from one eye to another eye. Clear? Fine? So once the process is done, put eye drop, make the patient free. Fine? Are you comfortable? Fine. So while I was doing the procedure, I don't know whether you have noticed this or not. I was not doing it like this. Why? Because I am not seeing the cornea. I am on the side. When I was touching the probe, I was seeing whether the cornea is touching on the center of the cornea or not. Probe is touching on the center of the cornea or not. Okay? Always try to be on the side if patient is in the sitting position. If patient is supine, obviously you can see that properly. Okay? So don't be careless in doing this procedure. Clear? That it is one of the most important procedure in ophthalmology. Okay? Don't be careless. Until or unless you are not good enough in doing this procedure, don't go for it. Just practice it, then go for it. Understood, everyone? Fine, that's good. You can get it.
We take the reading from there.
From there?
सर 10 रीडिंग
ऑलमोस्ट 10 रीडिंग कर दी
तो
है
उसमें कैसे पता चलेगा
That's what
ये
I'm telling you. अभी आ रहे हैं उसको. So earlier there was, you can see in the video later on, okay? Earlier there was no reading here. Okay, now we have taken all the 10 readings. In this side we are getting the AC, that is AC depth. Okay, on the other side we are getting the AL, that is axial length. Okay, so we have got almost equal axial length, around 18.38. Okay, so average axial length is 18.52. Okay, AC average, that is AC depth, okay, that is 3.63. Oh, everything is in the mm. Okay, and LT is the lens thickness. Lens thickness is 3.86 and standard deviation is 0.06. It should not be more than, anyone?
Salam?
Standard deviation SD should not be more than
0.10.
0.1. Okay, standard deviation should not be more than 0.1. It is 0.06. Is it okay? Obviously it is okay. It will be okay till 0.09 or till 0.1 also. It should not be more than 0.1. It should not be 0.12, 13, 14, 15 or whatever. So it means all the 10 readings we have taken, almost everything is okay, because standard deviation is the value which we are getting from all the readings. Okay, so after selecting it on the axial length, so as it is on axial length now, so I am going to use this arrow to move on different readings. Okay, so I have selected the first reading, so the graph of the first reading is here. Okay, so if you will see the graph, fine. If you will see the graph, so this is from the corneal front surface, from the back surface of the cornea, front of the lens, back of the lens, and in the vitreous we are seeing some spike. That could be because of placement of the probe, that could be because of any abnormality in the probe. Okay, so here is the retinal spikes. After retina there are choroidal and the orbital tissues and all this. Clear? So we are going to move to the next by pressing this arrow. So so whichever you think is not looking good or spikes are not proper, you can delete it. Here is the delete option as well, right? there is a cross. So according to me, first one is almost okay, second one is not okay because I am not seeing proper on the cornea. So I am going to cancel it out. Just press it once, it will be cancelled. Okay, moving next to almost okay. Okay, this one is number 4 is okay, 5 okay, 6 I'm going to delete it, 7 is okay, it is not right. Okay, fine. So out of all the values, these 4 are the best ones according to me. Okay, so it depends. So make sure ideally minimum 2 values should be